I'm Patricia Davis-Brown. I am an interior designer with a 37-year career in interior design. I'm a designer who has studied lighting for many years because it matters to me. It completes my design. When it isn't thought about, it can ruin my design. It can actually be unhealthy if it's the wrong type of lighting, especially with LED that we use today. We're going to talk about today the interior and under cabinet lighting. Many times I've seen puck lighting used, and it's a huge pet peeve of mine because the effect is just so poor. If you use a puck light as an under cabinet light, what you're going to get is puddles of light across our countertop. Across the backsplash will be scallops of light, be distracting, and it'll ruin our whole effect of what we tried to do with maybe a mosaic backsplash, because what we want to give is even illumination. Lighting is there, but you just don't see it, right? That's the art of lighting, and that's what we want to achieve with our under cabinet lighting. The interior cabinet lighting, again, if a puck light is used, you have to put glass shelves in, which when you put a glass on that, it's really clingy. Each shelf will get progressively darker all the way down, and if something's in front of it, it blocks the light. So it's really not a good choice. But today I'm going to talk to you about how to do it properly. I like to use an LED continuous lighting strip, and I like it in a channel with a diffuser, because if it doesn't have the diffuser, you're going to get a lot of hot spots, almost like a carnival look, and we don't want that either. So there's a good way and a bad way to do LED lighting too. On my interior cabinets, I like to run them vertically, and as you can see in a job that I've done here, just how evenly they light across each shelf, and that's the effect that we're looking for. I recommend that we place our light strip as far forward as we can to get all the illumination evenly running around that box. The under cabinet lights, once again, I like to pull that fixture as far forward as I can so that when the light comes out, it's dispersed across our countertop evenly. No hot spots, as you can see here. And then this beautiful mosaic backsplash is uninterrupted and shown very well. Now, there are other things that we must consider when choosing our LED continuous light fixture, and that would be the color rendition index, the CRI rating. The perfect is 100, which we used to get with incandescent and halogen. But with LED, we're a little more challenged on that. So you want to be as close to the CRI as you can get to 100. 95 is a good number with that. And it's going to read our colors as they should be read. So the color rendition, let me tell you what that means. It's how an artificial light source affects the color, the natural color of the material as seen in nature. So, of course, we want it to be seen true. The other thing I want to talk about is the Kelvin temperature. This is very important. I recommend going with a 2700 or 2800 Kelvin because it's going to keep, once again, our colors vibrant. As opposed to when we get to a 3000, the LED start to gray out our colors, and we don't want that, especially in a beautiful mosaic backsplash. Certainly if you go to 3500, 4000, it really totally diminishes our intended colors, and we don't want that. There are some cases, though, if we have really a bright mosaic backsplash, or an area where we may have a book-matched marble at our hood, that area right there, maybe we would hit that with a 3000, just in contrast to really pop that. And the colors of the materials we can do that with because maybe they're very bright. So all of those things need to be taken into consideration. I always recommend working with a lighting professional to make sure that all these things are thought about, and also the control of your lighting, so you have control of that lighting. So as I said at the beginning, I am a lighting specialist, and if you are looking for a consultation, you can go to my website and contact me, and we can do it remotely. All I need is the dimensions of the room, the heights of the ceiling. We can take it from there because lighting is all mathematical and measurable.